Talent development has made me look and approach things from a different perspective and helped me gain skills that I would need in the future.
Talent development has given me a place to be myself and express myself.
Talent development has given me the opportunity to be more creative and productive.
Talent development has given me a different way of thinking.
Because of talent development, I have learned how to be more confident in myself. Before taking this class, I was very quiet and shy. After taking this class, I began to talk to more people and made more friends. Talent development has taught me so much.
Talent development has given me so much knowledge and skills that helped me develop and achieve my potential so the organizations I work for can guide me into success and grow into a wonderful young lady.
Talent development has given me the opportunity to work with friends and peers to explore current events and real-world problems, so I've developed my critical thinking skills that help me in all of my subjects.
Talent development has made me more knowledgeable on things I did not think I would know.
Talent development has given me many things, such as a wider perspective on current events happening worldwide and a deeper emotional awareness not only for our own emotions but others. Talent development has also made me a better speaker, more confident, and productive.